Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about prism and we'll see what is a prism. A prism is basically nothing but a glass type material or medium, okay, which we use to refract light and we see how the light scatters or how the light deviates from a prism. Now let us see some pictures so that you will have a better understanding. Now, as you can see the prism, so the prism looks like this in real life. So the prism is nothing but a glass type material, as you can see. So basically a glass prism is a five-sided solid, five-sided as you can see, right? So five-sided and its cross section is triangular cross section, okay? So if I show you the side view, it looks like this. It looks like this. So this is the side view. As you can see, this is the triangular cross section, okay? Triangular cross section. Now, if it has a triangular cross section, as you can see, there are three rectangular faces. The two side faces, these are the rectangular. This is rectangular, this is rectangular, and this is rectangular, as you can see. So three rectangular faces and two triangular parallel faces. So if I show you the other side view, okay, it looks like this. So actually it is making an angle like this, okay. So in this figure, as you can see over here, in this figure, two rectangular faces are inclined with each other, okay, and the third rectangular face is at the base, okay, Now other two sides are triangular sides which are parallel to each other, I hope that is clear, right? Now let us see one simple diagram for that so that you will have a better understanding. So here, as you can see, the triangular prism, okay, this is a simple diagram so that it is very easy for you to understand, okay. So now as you can see, this is the one face, okay, this is one face, the rectangular over here, this is another one, as you can see, okay. The two rectangular are inclined with each other, as you can see. This is the angle, okay, between the two rectangular surfaces. Now, this angle over here is known as angle of prism or angle of refraction or refracting angle we call it. Now, why do we call this as angle of refraction or refractive angle? Because if I show you the side view or the cross-sectional view of the triangular prism over here, the light is going to enter like this, okay, this is your normal, then the light is going to bend, and again this would be your second refraction and light is going to bend away. So as you can see over here, so right, so these two surfaces, this surface and this, the two surfaces which I showed you over here are nothing but refracting surfaces, okay, the two rectangular surfaces which are inclined to each other, and this is known as refracting edge. This line, the line which is formed by joining the two rectangular surfaces like this, that line is called as refracting edge, okay. So this is our angle of prism or refracting angle we call it, right. So basically a glass prism is nothing but a five-sided solid, okay, three rectangular faces and two triangular faces which are parallel to each other. As you can see, this is one triangular face and this is one triangular face. So these two triangular faces over here are parallel to each other, okay. Now the two rectangular surfaces which are inclined to each other at some angle, that is our angle of prism, those two rectangular surfaces are called as refracting surfaces because the light refracts first from the first surface, then second from the second surface, okay. So I hope that is clear to you, right? Thank you.